Bor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Election Commission of India kala hukum medewan Tohkit da ke National Investigation Agency halo ka jumlah bom hakenik Election Assembly menta ha West Bengal. Kala hukum ru iki Pulit baki deban kendra banyo kem yaki Briew kibedan kti hakikam shna bom ba deban kem lot yaki. Kedik hukum kade hadian belalap shispa atliki bom na ke Ïing sa Jong Briew bari Briew Ïajan bha ba keseng Trinamool Congress lalap yaki ni bom na ke Ïing Jong na Bhangar South 24 Parganas. Ki Pulit kelayo kurup ya kini bom ni Ïing Jong Trafikul Islam hadim beglayo jingtip na kitna sentiat badan kitiar pinbithai bashirkai hakani ka Ïing. Kala hukum ik officer Pulit bekentop nadu Commissioner of Police UDC SP bat brok officer begdewan pentikna bagat omdon ke jing bithai bom lani ke jing penthot ki pat ba penthep vote bat ladaran kata kin habban shim ke jing kit khle badan penjitam yaki. Ka election nagbenta ki Arspa Kanapu South League constituency ha West Bengal kelas dang nadu ka Pulit trik Ïajan bat ka benta ka baar kandai haka arp kandai trik Ïajan bat ka jing no vote pat kandai haka South trik Ujamang.
এটা তাহলে মানে এইবার হ্যান্ডেল করা যাবে না স্যার ঠিক আছে এটা অনুসারে বিভাগ হবে
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakhot ek snong nongi kwayo sngo bhan ek snong de lakhot kalayat dikila pen sngo hina snong ki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban pinmi ki kam ki jam jong ki Briew jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan na kane kawai ka project bi ki don menta hang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kanungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha kajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan let shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan let shaki local. Other than that ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnot ngiru hangni Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang warra yaki investment. Habang warra yaki bakum kini project. Net yang nga opi กับบักคัดดุกจริงมันตัวกันลองอย่างนี้กี่คนสำนัก
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.